Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about Tirupati. Number 1. Tirupati is a city in the state of Andhra Pradesh, India. Number 2. Tirupati is a popular tourist destination. Number 3. It is surrounded by hills. Number 4. Tirupati is located in the foothills of the Eastern Ghats. Number 5. Tirupati is known for its rich religious and cultural heritage. Number 6. It is the administrative headquarters of the Tirupati district. Number 7. The city has a pleasant climate throughout the year. Number 8. The city offers various accommodation options for tourists. Number 9. Tirupati has a well-developed transportation network. Number 10. It is considered a significant spiritual destination in South India. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.